Even if you delay making a decision, that's also a decision. If you don't make a decision, that's also a decision. Hello, everyone. It's such a joy for me to be with you on this segment of the podcast where we're going to do a series where we're going to talk about how to make decisions in life. I want you to understand that whether you like it or not, we're always making decisions. What dress to wear, what food to eat, where do I go, what time do I wake up, everything is a decision. Even if you delay making a decision, that's also a decision. If you don't make a decision, that's also a decision. And today I want to just remind you that whether you like it or not, you have to make decisions. Maybe there are small decisions which may not have great impact, like with regard to what food to eat or clothes to wear. But there may be big decisions that a lot of people struggle to make. Which career move should I make? Which course should I choose? Or whom should I marry? Which locality should I get a house? So there are some decisions that we have to really pay attention to, because they not only decide certain factors or temporary things of life, but they also are instrumental in the ultimate decisions of life. So, my challenge to each one of you is, even as we journey together, I really recommend that you be careful in the decisions that you need to make. See, first thing I want to start off is the Bible says in Proverbs 19, verse 2, that the hasty miss out the right way. What do I want you to remember is that sometimes we can be so caught up in, oh, I need to get this decision done, I need to make this choice quickly. And in that haste, we end up making a mistake. My challenge to each one of you under the sound of my voice is, don't be hasty. I want you to just be careful before you make a decision. Think about this. Is this having an implication in your life? Is this something that's really what it is when it looks on the outside? See, I remember there was a time I've seen that there used to be these ads running all across YouTube saying, if you join my course, if you do this particular program, you will immediately become financially stable in 3 months. You can quit your job, you can soar high, you will become a millionaire, or you will be able to grow all around. And all of these things people used to portray. And here's the thing they used to do. There's a trick that you would have noticed very frequently. They would say, if you don't want to miss this opportunity of life, if you don't want to miss this, I want you to sign up right now within 10 minutes, sign up immediately, pay this fee, and you will get this. A lot of people used to fall for this. And I want to remind you that there was a moment where somebody I know went through a huge financial loss because they gave in to some kind of a pressure saying, if you want your life to change immediately, buy this program within 10 minutes. And even though they portrayed it in a certain way, it was a huge financial scam, and a lot of people lost their money in the process. See, this is the challenge I want you to really think about, right? Whenever there is this pressure to make a hasty decision, just take a step back. Nothing is going to go wrong if you take a step back. If you really have to take a dire decision, you will be in a position to make it effectively with good counsel and taking the right steps, praying about it, or doing what needs to be done with the drive that God has given you. Otherwise, you need to just hold your horses. You need to take a step back and really introspect. Is this what it really looks like? It may look really good. People might paint it as, do this and your life will change. Do this, there are so many testimonies. All that sounds great, but I want you to check, because the Bible also says that you need to be careful about a lot of these get rich quick schemes. See, a lot of people fall for these things, whether with regard to the finances, they make a big blunder, or sometimes people get into these losses which are into real estate, or sometimes people get into scams even in the matrimony side. And I really challenge you to take a step back and introspect. Take a step back before you make a decision. You don't have to rush through it. You can sometimes just slow down and be careful, because the wise will slow down and make an informed decision. And that's what I want to challenge you. And I really recommend that you share this with someone and leave a comment, and stay tuned for the next episode of this segment. God bless you.